Hi, I'm Matthieu, the founder of Nodester, the open source free Node.JS hosting platform. It's been a while since we've done a video, and a few things have changed. Things have gotten a lot easier to do, deploy, more powerful, etc. So I wanted to take you on a quick spin on how Nodester works. So you request a Nodester coupon, and you can do that either by installing our command line interface and running a Nodester coupon and giving us your email address, or you can do it from a simple curl command using our REST API and just insert your email address there, and we'll get you on the list. We respond every 2 or 3 days with coupon codes to get you registered. One coupon code actually allows you to create an account with an unlimited number of Node.js apps. So really, really cool, really powerful. Once you get your email, you simply click register there, enter your coupon code, your username you want to use, your password. Be careful on the password. So far we don't support like non-base 64 characters like like the @ symbol or like dollar signs, carrots, etc. And give us your email address again, and copy and paste your RSA key. Also want to make sure currently that you don't have like a passphrase in your key. There's an issue outstanding on that. But you simply fill that out, and that's it. It's like immediate. You have an account on Nodester, and you can start doing cool things like this. But I tell you what, before we do that, let's start a timer and just see how long this takes to kind of walk through deploying your first Node.js app on Nodester. So we'll start the timer. It's counting down. We'll do an npm install Nodester CLI, which you would have already had from the coupon perhaps. And then from here, you're going to do a Nodester. If you hit Nodester, you'll see all the attributes you can do. You can say Nodester user, which was here, and you'll see all the information you can do. You'll first need to do a Nodester user setup and give it your username and password again. So that'll get you here in the app. And then from here, you simply do Nodester app create fast app, we'll call it. Boom. It creates an app for you on Nodester if that name's available, and then you run init. And what that does, that creates a hello world application for you in the directory called whatever your name is, actually clones, pushes it to GitHub, and launches it for you. So if we were to actually go to cd fast app here, you'll see that there's a server. We can do a cat server.js. We'll see the hello world application already filled out for us. And more importantly, if we go to fastapp.nodester.com, hello world. Let's stop the timer. So less than 2 minutes, 1 minute 45 seconds, we created a Hello World app from scratch and created that app on Nodester with whatever name we want and deployed it. I mean, it's that easy. If you wanted to come in here and now say, let's say vi server.js, and we wanted to change something, say we wanted to change what it said, we'll say hello Nodester fans. We'll save that, and we do a git add git commit and a git push. It already has origin set up for us to point at your Nodester Git repo. The little dude with his arms in the air, Nodester out. Now let's refresh the app. Hello, Nodester fans. It does not get any easier than that, folks. But what if you have an app already running? Like we have I have a Socket.io application running, and I just called it Node Chat. If we do mate there, let me kind of get this small for you. If we look at server, we'll see that, so this is the chat application that comes with Socket.io. So if you go to Socket.io and download, you'll get this little chat application. It's going to come with like a server address in there on the server.js, and it's going to come with a chat on the client side where it's also pointing to the same port address on your local box. So if we were to go and like run this, let me just say node, let me clear all that, node server.js. That launches the Socket.io application running here on localhost. So if we go to here and we change it to localhost and the port address that it's running on, we'll see our chat app. We click that and we can start typing, hello, what's up? This is all WebSockets, pretty cool. Love Socket.io. Now we want to deploy this to Nodester, so this is an existing app in my repo. Actually, I think I've already deployed it, but let me what is that? Yeah, so I already have Nodester, but that's all right. Well, let me show you how this works. So we're going to git remote remove Nodester. And so now we only have origins, which is cool. So now watch. From here we're going to do a we're going to do a Nodester app create. What are we going to call this? We're going to call this atomic chat. How about that? Okay, so that name's available. We could go ahead and init it like we did, which will just create that hello world, but since we already have this application running, or working, what we're going to do is we're going to do a Nodester app info atomic chat, and what that'll do is it'll return the repo that's assigned to us. So it's the CC2 user, all this Git stuff here. So then now we'll add a remote. We'll add Git. We'll do a Git remote add Nodester and paste that in. So now we're gonna, when we push to Nodester, it's gonna push to the repo for us on Nodester. So notice that it's not running yet. We haven't done anything but create an app name on Nodester called Atomic Chat. So let's get back into this again. The only thing we're going to have to change is the port address on the client side. So when you're doing sockets on Nodester, you have to use port 80 on the client side, and then our proxy figures it all out for you. So we're going to save that. And here, if we do a, so what we're going to do, a git add, git commit, change to port 80. Okay, we also need to update the npm sandbox on Nodester. All your apps run in a self-contained sandbox, so we need to give it the Socket.io module. So we say Nodester npm install socket. App name is called Atomic Chat socket.io. Okay, so it installed successfully, npm OK. And you see how I did that command? You can do Nodester npm, and what it'll do is it'll tell you all the options you can do. Your packages, you can space the packages, so if you had more than one, you could do something like socket.io space express space Jade, whatever you want to do. So basically, we deployed, or we pushed an npm module called socket.io up to our sandbox. Now, if we do a git push Nodester master, that will push our application up to Nodester and start it for us. Little dude with his arms up in the air, Nodester out. So if everything went right, we ought to go to atomic chat.nodester and see our app. Oop, there it is. Chat. Oop, hello. Nodester rocks. How about that? So that's it. So I showed you how to deploy a Hello World app in under 2 minutes on Nodester from scratch. And then I also showed you how to deploy a little bit more complicated WebSocket app in just a few more minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the demo, and I hope that you sign up for your Nodester coupon and help us spread the word. And here's a challenge. If you can deploy the Hello World app faster than me, this is a great opportunity for you speed typers out there. Tweet it up at Nodester. Let us know how fast you deployed your first app. See you next time.